Haryanaga cartoons. Discussion on numbers, students and teacher.
So students, today we will discuss numbers. Numbers are divided into real numbers and imaginary numbers. So what are real numbers?
Sir, the numbers except imaginary numbers are known as real numbers.
Very good. So what are imaginary numbers? The numbers which does not exist are known as imaginary numbers.
Numbers, real numbers. All numbers except imaginary numbers are called real numbers. Imaginary numbers, the numbers which does not exist, are known as imaginary numbers. Example I, 8 plus 3i.
Now, in real numbers, we can classify rational numbers and irrational numbers. So what are rational numbers?
Numbers which can be written in P by Q form and Q is not is equal to 0 are known as rational numbers.
So what are irrational numbers? The numbers which are neither recurring nor terminating are known as irrational number. For example, root over 3, root over 10 and root over 11.
Real numbers minus rational numbers minus the numbers which can be written in P divided by Q form and Q is not equals 0 are called rational numbers. Example 3/5 irrational numbers. The numbers which are neither recurring nor terminating are called irrational numbers. Example root over 3, 10, 11.
Rational numbers are further classified into integers and non-integers. So what are integers?
All rounded negative and positive numbers are known as integers.
Okay, what are non-integers? The numbers which are not rounded are known as non-integers.
Rational numbers, integers, all rounded negative, dash, and positive, plus numbers are known as integers. Example 9, minus 55 non-integers. The numbers which are not rounded are non-integers. Example dash 3.4, 2 nines.
So now, integers are classified into negative integers, neutral integers and positive integers. All the numbers from -1 are known as negative integers and 0 is the neutral integer, and from +1 onwards are known as positive integers.
Integers minus negative equals -1, -2, -3, -4. Neutral equals 0, positive equals +1, +2, +3, +4.
In non-integers, we have decimals and fractions, and decimals are further classified into
Non-integers 1, decimals 2, fractions.
Recurring decimal and non-recurring decimal.
Decimals 1, recurring decimal 2, non-recurring decimal.
and fractions are classified into proper fractions, improper fractions and mixed fractions. So what are these?
If denominator is bigger than numerator, it is a proper fraction. If denominator is smaller than numerator, it is an improper fraction. If it is the combination of numbers and fractions, it is the mixed fraction.
Fractions -1, proper fraction equals d greater than n2, improper fraction equals d less than n3, mixed fraction equals combination of both numbers and fraction.
Video by Anaga Joshi. If you like this discussion, please subscribe our channel and like this video.